Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy links of posts on threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Today I'm gonna copy link of my own thread post. So click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Click in the share button of your post. And here you can see the copy link option. Click on it and the link is copied to your clipboard. It is the same process to copy links of others' posts as well. And that is how you can copy links of posts on threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.